Okay, now we're going to apply wax. We would use a sponge to apply it. We use wax mainly for extra protection. Also, patina wax makes surfaces slightly water repellent and adds extra gloss. Go ahead and just distribute material evenly on your surface. Use circular motion in the middle and work horizontally and vertically in the corners. Cover the surface thoroughly, filling all the voids. Make sure you rub it nicely and there's no excess wax left on the surface. Take a small amount at a time and rub it very well. For even higher gloss, I recommend applying another layer of wax. The first layer should dry for 1 to 2 hours. Pause this video and wait for the wax to completely dry. Applying the second layer. After first layer is dry, you'll see if you left any voids. Go ahead and distribute material evenly. Apply the wax the same way you did for the first layer. Use circular motion in the middle and work horizontally and vertically in the corners. This is how your wax sample should look.